Hi all of you, welcome to this video, and this is the first video of permissions. So let's get start the video. So let me first talk about this. As you all have seen this line, when I do ls-l, which means ls-l means long list. So -l is used for, as you all know that -l is used for list, alright. And after running that command, you have seen that this type of line, alright. And this rw hyphen means user, or you can say owner. It comes under the owner part, and these three after that, this, let me rub this first, and this other three means your this belongs to your group, and these three belongs to your other, alright. This first one belongs to your root or owner, whatever you want to say you can say, alright. And the next one is your that, let me use this one is your this, not this one is your this group, alright. And last one is your others, alright. This belongs to this one, alright. So let me use that entire stroke erase, so you can see the eraser. This is the powerful eraser. Now it's time to show you that, as you all know that this when this type of line is starting, as you all know that this is your hyphen means this is your file, and this d means directory, which means that this is directory and this is file, and this is your file name, alright. This is your file name, this is the last modified time, and this is the date as well, last modified time or date you can say. And this is your group and owner, and this is for others, and this is symbolic links, as I already told you in the starting of this course that what all are symbolic links. So this shows that, and these are your R means read, W means write, and X means execute. So these are your permission. The first three belongs to your root, or you can say owner, and the second one belongs to your group, and last three belongs to your others, alright, as you all can see here. Now it's time to rub again. So now if you want to read the content of directory, that is known as read, and to create, modify, edit it in directory, so that is W. So this is belongs to your what is read, write, and execute of directory, and this is what is read, write, execute related to file, alright. So now you can read this as well. So now I think it's time to run our lab, alright. So now it's time to, I think, start our lab, alright. So now I have already configured here all the stuff, SSH, auth, key, also color, appearance as well. Now it's time to start first that server. My server is this one, Red Hat, alright. Now it's time to start, and now you can see that this server is starting, alright. Let us start. And in this video I am only going to show you the alphabetical part of permissions. There are two types of permissions you can give, first by giving numerically, and second one is alphabetically, alright. I am showing you the alphabetically today, and in the next one I will show you how to give permissions numerically, alright. Now it's time to paste here your IP, and it's time to open this. You can see that all of this stuff is already configured, ec2-user, alright. Now it's time to, I think, log in as sudo-s, which is your root user, alright. Now it's time to clear the screen, alright. So now it's time to first see what is here. Here is nothing. Let me create something, alright. Let me create a file first. Let me create a empty file, alright. Touch, let me write file1, name of that file, and let me create directory as well, empty directory. Let me write here directory1, alright. Now it's time to clear again. Now it's time to run that command, ls-l, alright. now as you all can see, this is D, which means this is your directory, and this is hyphen means this is starting with your hyphen, it means this is your file. So now I already told you that these first three RWX belongs to your group or owner. Now second R hyphen X, because there is W is missing, so this belongs to your group, and now the last belongs to your R hyphen X, again this belongs to your others. Alright, same as here. Now if you want to add write permission to group, how you can add? You can add, there is a simple command, let me show you first. The command is chmod change mode command for change the permission. I forgot to write here per R here. Alright, so now by using hyphen v option, it shows the task is done, which means, let me show you, chmod, let me write here chmod nothing, I want to give permission. How I can give? I want to give to group, so I can do like this. Let me show you the characters. So this plus is used for adding, and this minus is used for removing, equal is used for sets permission exactly. Let me show you how these works. So if I want to give, let me show you, there is X. If I want to remove this X, how can I remove that? G for group minus X. Now you have to write that file or directory name. I want to do this on directory 1. Now you can see, let me see again by running that command. As you all can see, before there was X, but now there is nothing like X. If I want to add W here in your group, what is the command? The command is same, but you have to append, because it's time to add something. W is means write, as you all can see here. Let me show you. W is for write, R for read, X for execute. Alright, now it's time to run that command. Wait a minute, what is this? G plus W. Now you have to write directory name, or you can write file name as well, or alright, wherever you want that changes to be applied. So now it's time to run this command. Now it's time to run that command again, ls-l. Now you can see that before what I've done, let me see, G plus W, it means I've added write permission to my group. This part RW, this middle part is your group. This middle part belongs to your group, not this one. Wait a minute, why this is not highlighting? This first one from here to here is your as I already told you, root, and after that from here to here, you can see here there is your W added, but before there is no W. So by doing this you can add. Let me clear screen, let me run that command, ls-l again. If I want to remove R permissions from group, group is this. So if I want to remove this R permission, read permission from this owner, and from group, and from this as well, others, what is the command? Command is same. You have to write like this, UGO. UGO means user group others is equal to only WX. Alright, WX. Now let me run that command, ls-l. Now you can see that there is only WX permission. There is no longer that read permission exists. Alright, that is removed. Alright, so you can do like this as well. Alright, and if I want to remove all permission, let me show you. If I want to remove all permission, what is the command? UGO, you already know. U means user, G means group, O means others, and equal you have to write here nothing, because you have to remove all the permissions. Alright, if I run this command, now you can see that here as well there is no permission at all. You can see that there is no permission to group, owner, and others as well. So you can do like this as well. Alright, so now let me show you something else. if you run this command, if you run this command with this option hyphen v is for verbose. Let me show you. If I want here only r permission, now you can see that it is telling, the Linux is telling us that mode of directory 1 changed from 40 to this 444. Just forget about these numbers. Alright, just see here, before the permission was this, now permission is this. This means, as you all know, that first three belongs to your owner, and second one belongs to your group, third one belongs to your others. Now if you are doing like this, I only want r plus x, you can write like this, or you can write like this as well. Now you can see that there is no r permission exist. So you can see before there was r permission, but now there is this hyphen wx, alright, in three of them. So now this is the hyphen v option. Now let me show you the another one, which is hyphen r. So what hyphen r do? Let me show you. Let me do ls. There are two things. Let me create a parent directory. Let me create let me write mkdir hyphen p, as you all know, for parent directory 11. In that directory you will create 22, and in directory 22 you create directory 33. So now this is the command, and as you already know what it does. Alright, let me run that tree command. Tree doesn't exist. Let me install tree to show you better. Install tree. Alright, tree is installing. Alright, let me show you how this works. Alright, let it install. Alright, this system is not registered with an entitlement server. Alright, let it install. So what this hyphen r does, let me show you. So this hyphen r do that if there is a parent directory. So you have set a permission, a particular permission for a parent directory, but you want that permission will be applied to all of those stuff which is in that directory, whether it is file or whether it is directory. That permissions will also be applied to those stuff as well which is inside that directory. So this recursive option is used for that purpose. Let me show you chmod. First let me show you tree command. Tree, you can see there is directory 11, in that there is directory 22, and in that there is directory 33. So now as you all can see that this is your parent directory, directory 11. Alright, and let me first run that command ls hyphen l again. Alright, this is your permission. Alright, you can see there is no w in group and others, but there is every permission in owner. Alright, of directory 11. Let me go inside that directory 11. Now let me run ls hyphen l. Now you can see that there are same permission which is you can see that there is same permission which contains this directory 11. It is also contains this directory 22. Alright, and let me go inside this directory 22. So if I run this command again ls hyphen l. Alright, you can see that these three of them contain same permission, as you all know, as you all can see. Alright, you can see that there is w is missing in group and others here as well, and here as well. Alright, there is w is missing. So now what this option will do, let me come back. Alright, where I am? Yes, I am at my hometown. So now it's time to show you the r permission. Alright, not permission, r option hyphen r. So if I give for user, for group, and for others no permission to directory 11 with this R option, hyphen capital R option. What this will do, let me show you by doing. Alright, because I believe while doing, let me run this command. Alright, command is successfully run. As you all know that there is no error occurred, it means the everything is going according to me. So now it's time to show you by running that command ls-l. Now you can see there is no permission to directory 11, which is understood because I have specified here the directory 11. But let me go inside this directory. There is directory 22, directory 11. Right, now let me do ls-l. Now you can see that it has this command. This option has also changed the permissions of the stuff inside this directory. Alright, let me go inside this as well, dir. Let me run this command again. Now as you all can see, these three of the stuff. Now you all can see the parent directory and the child directory as well. They all have the same permission. By how these permissions are applied to this stuff at the same time by using this option. R is for recursive. Let me show you by running this command chmod -help, and you can use this command in your exam as well. Alright, -r recursive, change files and directories recursively. Alright, just in short you have to remember this, or if you want to see the full documentary, you can run this command man chmod, as you all know. So alright, you can now see what is this is about. Alright, and what all are options it provides. So now there are lots of pages. Alright, so I think that's about for today. I think this is enough. Let me quit from here. Now I think there nothing is left. WordPress, yes, I have told you all of this stuff. Just practice by yourself, and in the next video I will show you the numerical way by how you can give numbers, by how you can change permissions with the numbers. Alright, so in the next video I will show you that, and that is a pretty good method which I personally believe, and also I recommend that practice this stuff. Alright, these all permissions. Let me close my server, and forget to like, forget to subscribe, but don't forget to stop this machine. Alright, you can forget to share as well, but you don't forget to stop this machine. Alright, this EC2 instance. Alright, so I think that's about for today. And this all Corvette, so this all stuff you will find in your description. There is a link and of a document. You have to just open that document and you will find all this stuff, and you don't have to watch the video again and again. Alright, and you can see the commands here from here. Where is the command? There is your chmod. Alright, so let me write something else. Alright, let me write here first permission is there. Here is not R is missing here. So now the command is your let me write here chmod. Now here you have to write your user, or let me write here permission. In short, permission, you have to write here permission, and here you have to write your file name, file or directory name, as whatever you want, whatever you write here. Alright, there is no mandatory that you have to write here, only file name or directory name. You can write whatever you want. Alright, so I think that this is about for today, and in the next video I will show you how you can change permission with your numbers by using your numbers. Alright, Now I think it is good time to end this video. Signing off.